All of you, let's see here on the board. Okay, given a problem. Problem is that f of x equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x if the condition is that x not equal to pi by 2. And another condition is given that if x equal to pi by 2, then the function value is here 3. Then we have to find out here the function is continuous at a point x equal to pi by 2. Then we have to find the value of k. Okay, our target is here finding the value of constant term k when the functions f of x that one is given in our questions. We have to show if this function is say continuous at x equal to pi by 2. This one of the target point. We have to find the value of k. Let's see here in the questions is given that, that's why we have to starting from the given conditions what have in the questions. Look here. The f of x here is given. Look here the marking. We have to marking the underline. This one we have to starting here. And f of x we have to write since f of x is a continuous function. F of x is a continuous function at x equal to pi by 2. So from definition of continuity we have. So from the definition of continuity we have limit x tends to pi by 2 because the point is given here pi by 2. So we are applying only the point at pi by 2, not left and right, as the function is given at x not equal to pi by 2, not a left part and right part. That's why you have to take the only limit function. Limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. This equal to f of pi by 2. That means if the functional value both are equal, then you can say continuous. Now we have to find here the limit value on left hand side. This implies limit x tends to pi by 2. F of x functional value is given, actually defined in such a way that, but here is we have to take it x equal to x tends to pi by 2. As we know that when x tends to pi by 2 at a fixed point, that means x not equal to pi by 2. X not equal to pi by 2 here is given in question, this one portion. So you have to put in the value of f of x here, first one part. So you have to put here the first one part. Here have k cos x divided by here have pi minus 2x. This one is got according to conditions. And here pi by 2 f of x, in place of x here have pi by 2. So f of pi by 2 value have we got here x equal to pi by 2, then f of x value is here 3. So we have to put here value 3 from the given question we have. Now this implies to find the limit we have to consider in the limit as x minus pi by 2 or pi by 2 minus x equal to 0. Sorry, look here, we have to consider let x minus pi by 2 equal to z. Let x minus pi by 2 equal to z. Okay, that means we have to substitute the variable to find the limit in easier way. Look here, when x tends to pi by 2, then z tends to 0. Look here, z tends to 0. So you have to substitute this one value in this limit form. Limit z tends to 0, k have cos in place of x. Here from here we can got here x equal to pi by 2 plus z. From where? From this line. Why we have to construct. Okay, so k into cos of x, in place of x we have to put here pi by 2 plus z divided by here have, look here, we have to consider x minus pi by 2 equal to z. If you doing here LCM, then we got here 2x minus pi. Okay, that means we have to put here in place of x this one, pi minus 2 into x, that means here pi by 2 plus z. This one is got equal to z. This imply here, look here in this portion. This implies limit z tends to 0, k into cos pi by 2 plus z. We know that minus sin z. Why minus sin z? Because the pi by 2 plus z, this one angle lie on the second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative, so we got here negative sign. So we have to write here negative this one position, and cos pi by 2 or multiple of pi by 2, it becomes here sin z. Got it? Now look here, pi minus 2 vanish, pi vanish here, and we got here minus 2z. minus 2z equal to here right side have 3. Look here, this minus minus vanish and k by 2 both are the constant term, so we have to come out this limit constant term from the limit. That means we got here k by 2 and limiting here value has limit z tends to 0 sin z by z. And this is the well known formula we know from the limit chapters. Limit z tends to 0 sin z by z equal to 1, so we have to put that value. K by 2 into 1 equal to 3. From here we can conclude here k equal to 3 into 2 6. Okay, and this is our required value. That one we have to find. Thank you for watching.